everyone, I'm Kondak Wirige. Welcome back to another review or unboxing. Ngarang, I just received this yesterday from High Performance. High Performance thing ngarang phangese Revit ni Revit jacket Revit jacket khangmi na mi me angadi Revit jacket ase khangam mani ko. Revit jacket is a premium way ba kaino ni ko. So khaya ham da she say unboxing to let's start with the unboxing. I've taken out the carton. My packing में लोग ठोक रहे हैं. Only can होता है बच्चे खाओ तो. So this is how it looks. Hang दो को. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3. This is how it looks. So basically, Revit say it's a premium company ne because Europe की company नहीं कहोगे. It's originated from Netherlands की company नहीं माजे MotoGP गुम्मत सीजना बके नोने को tight fitting के नोने. I tried तो ड्री because project ने unboxing तो रिसे. So सीकी detail में हम दे price तो दे higher रोइस इधर video दे but description दे लोई detail था आप मगे कनाडे लाइक नो करी लाइक नो मुझे details में हम दो को आदू आदूम चांग दिए इंगिरो. So how रिसने को. So मसीज माइट तो है बको. I know order to small size ni. Moi masagi ama hanger supire. Hanger si thambirasi. And again first level 1 padding yawi shoulder gi and elbow gi yawi ani mag yawi. But my manungi rain liner ki no yaw de ko thermal yaw de. Yengasi. It's a small size fitting yengasi ko. Tighten up tàu nó bên này có cái thằng chỉnh chân nó bơ, rồi số, mồm chỉ already già rồi chỉ đến tight đâu. So basically summer jacket này bớt chứ, đúng rồi xuống, cái này xin nào, okay, mấy cái booklet khai ao ấy có, mấy cái keno some details ni keno kamay tao no si thambirasi. So ma'am si kitang ne mo slim fit ne ko agum si ji yare starting. So magi keno se maning da so keno yaw maning da net yaw hi ko. So summer friendly ne especially winter ki di manung liner yaw tamni ing ni summer da di se yare ko. Do adum machu makhan lai sida angu se lakuni fluorescent lakuni ma'am lakuni but aina amu se or si sida Revit ki sign le raha hai kudang sida Revit ki sign le raha hai sida Revit ki mai logo le raha hai so maning da su logo le raha hai Revit ki sida su yaw raha hai so yam na compact way ham ngai ai me am su khambiram ying budak am chaw ro moi ai ga han Venom doctor mo this is more of the fitting is really good and it fits really well and it's a slim fit basically and it's specially meant for summer ki maktani so especially meant for summer because there are lots of vents so this is not good but I won't recommend to use this for winter because the best part about Magi Shiki level they have given level 1 padding here but it's not that bulky like other. The problem is if when you buy jacket which is cheaper than 10,000 Indian brand they are very big but especially if you buy a premium European company Revit it's little slim fit so that's why they are called premium and they are a little expensive so aduga shigi padding there is no padding so I have bought this separately. I had bought this separately. It cost me around 3,700 Sinepura. So it's a big thick for the back. Let's put that also. So let's open this. Oh, cable tie na phar pasi nikale. I know I'm strong. So look for Siko. So let's try this. It's written that it's the say size 4, prepared for Revit level 2 back. So this is level 2 back. Let's insert this inside and let's check. Zip amale ko sila zip amyaure. Tuga. San dari kamay tong sinama. Pick pero so it looks quite big. Chan dari bira kani ko. Makha di yaure. Mathak simi cha saw bu sibo. Okay. So it's fitted perfectly. So my bag is also protected. Let's wear this. Let's see. So you can see how it feels. I feel little heavy. Kitang di heavy ko because of the back. Aduga maling sida kena kiyaw iti. So this can tighten up and back looks solid, huh? So now I'm fully protected. Now I can ride. Shiwaji. Right na. So it looks good. So and feels great. Yam no eh. Pambira gadi phaje hare gadi me like am toksam biramo. Of course, if you're new to this channel, subscribe toksam biramo. Shi mangai nga shigi Revit ki unboxing and review ko. Yam tinunga ese. Let's open this again. See, I'm struggling with it. It's not a big struggle for me to open it out, but of course, if you wear a big jacket like Venom gido, adudi kitang wire ko. Sini kitang more compact oy bigay ngon na kanungay share po ko. So I'm very happy that they also gave the hanger. Of course, premium jackets comes like this. So now I'm a big fan of Revit also. My first premium collection. And of course, I hope you like, guys. मैं हम पांबिरंग थाजे सिर्फ पदी फजारे में हमको. So this is it, guys. Let's end the vlog here, and I hope you like my review, and I hope you like the vlog or my review. Small, it's a yam pick po nga sige reviews di, and yam pick po vlog ni. So this is it. This is my rabbit jacket, and wish nga sige di ha. And please do check my description for the detail of this jacket. Kai delay even the jacket description. Do you if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I am Instagram follow to Instagram follow to Shambiramo. Makada I link description of Thadaramake, Jikshu Ithorage, Explorer Labani, so that you get all the updates. Big Yamacho put a malactory quiggy, a chobook and over program right. Sunday is coming Sunday is Java International Day. Java International Day Nico Sunday se. So a big ride is coming soon. Stay tuned for Sunday, or of course hayenge blockchain view. Sunday is view. Sunday the jacket se kulanka korani. So Dipson the Explorer signing off for now, and take care, bye bye, and see you at the next vlog.